Hi there, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to code what I covered in my last maths video, that is integration by substitution. So, if you take a look on the right, you can see I've got my output. So, okay, so I'm letting u equal sine x, then I've got du over dx is cos x, so du is cos x dx. I would obviously leave a space before like dx. Now I move on to the integration part here, where I just go through the same steps as in my maths video. Now, you may want to put a line of text in here saying where c is an arbitrary constant. Doesn't really matter, but if you're at all worried, then you should probably put it in. Okay, so let's look at the code. So use your bit of a line with some math mode here. However, with du and dx here, if I want to make my d's in normal text rather than in italics, I can do this. And when I run this, this will make them maybe look a bit nicer depending on your point of view. There you go. So I'm using the \int command to give me an integral. That's the only way to do it in LaTeX. If I want to do a definite integral, when I've got limits of integration, then I'll have, if I put it like this, with an underbar, lower limit, and then a caret, and then the upper limit, it'll put it like this, integral from 0 to 2. And obviously this doesn't apply in this case, but, you know. Okay, a couple of other new bits of code if you're interested in how you code like a sine squared here. Then it's just a sine, and then to the power of 2, and x. Okay, you don't need to put the brackets around the x, like a cos of x, but it kind of might make it look a bit nicer. Here you should always put brackets around the integrand where there's more than one term. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So that was how to integrate by parts in LaTeX. Thank you.